this plug doesn't work. I did trace it. The wire's broke in the wall somewhere. So I recommended just putting a new plug here. We can just tie it right up into there real simple instead of trying to cut the whole wall to find that. So I'm going to abandon that one. And then this the outside light here, right over here. I'm going to connect that. That power is out for some reason. I'm going to connect it with these other two so they turn on together. I found the wire. It's right there, but there's no power on it. So we're going to cut that. I'm going to run power right through here and then run it up. Make the connection to the switch. And then to the neutral I've already set up. This is extra power I found. Don't know what it's for. I'm just going to cap it off and put it back in a blank plate. And I've already got the switch set up and ready. This is where the new wire is going to go for the hot and the neutral over here. It's going to be right here. So we've already got these ready to go. So let's get to it. So we're just going to cap that one off and just plate it off, and that's now not going to be used anymore. We're going to move it over to here. So let's get ready to do that next. All right, after having traced out the box outline that we're going to now start cutting the cutout so we can put that box through and lock it in. We're just going to start cutting that outline out. All right, so we got the box locked in. Little wings here, lock it in place. And we cap this off too, no longer needed. Now we're getting ready to cut the wire, run the wire through, and then we're going to run some power down to there for the plug. And all that can come off of all these right here. So we're going to tap into one of the hots to accomplish this purpose. So let's go ahead and make some more taps. We're actually going to do a 4 tap here, and then we'll have to do another tap off this hot. Really any hot will do, but I can just pick this one and just break it there, and then we'll run it down. So we got 2 wires to run down. Let's see. So, all right, so that's what we're going to do here. All right, let's start running wire. All right, we pulled the wire through here and got it in the plug. Now we got that up here. We're going to tie that into the existing power. Let's run the other wire now through and get that in here, and then we'll tie everything together. And this one here is going to be running through here. All righty. Okay. Alrighty. So we don't know what's up with this one, so we're just gonna cap that off and abandon it. We don't know where it goes. So alright, so this will be the one going out to the street, I believe. And then this one's going to a power that isn't connected, so we're just gonna cap that off. This is the one we're tying into, bringing it up, and this is going to come up into the box, switch box. All right, so here's our new plug. We got 120 on it. Good to go. Let's do that one more time. I'll take a picture of that. Alright, so everything's back together. This switch will operate the outside lights, but for the one way over there, we do got 120 here with the switch that goes with these lights, but for some reason this line is still not getting power over there, so we're gonna have to send a signal over and see what's going on here. Alright, so when I connected the power to this, it looked like it was tripping the breaker, or just wasn't working. So I'm gonna do a trace on this wire. I know this is the right one because I proved it by coming out all the way out, and if I put it on this wire over here, definitely is it. See, strong as hell. So that wire is making it over here. This is it. It's here, but there's some kind of short, I think, in here somewhere. So we need to get into this, open this all up, see what's going on. So that'll be the next step. All right, so I found out that the hot wire is somehow shorting out underground. So I just took that off and I repurposed the white and made it black and made the ground the neutral. And now it's not frying. So now we're gonna test the light out. Well, it's a success. All the lights come on and off by the one switch now. Come to find out the hot got a problem with it, so I just switched the wiring and it works really good now.